How to get a full face of makeup that is good for your skin. Start with the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Compact Foundation, which is packed with hyaluronic complex, vitamin C, and broad spectrum SPF 28. Blend into the skin to reduce the appearance of fine lines while protecting your skin. Apply the Triple Action Concealer using the Breakthrough Ceramic Wand to dot on the perfect amount of formula with no mess application. Glide the ceramic wand back and forth against the skin like a facial roller to feel an instant cooling effect that depuffs while it blends. Next up, apply the Lash Plumping Mascara, which works as a primer, serum, and mascara in one to plump and volumize lashes. Use the curved wand to coat the lashes evenly, grabbing even the lashes that are hard to get to in the corners. Overdraw your lips with the Lip Flip Liner to create a plumped up pout. The hydrating formula also keeps the lips supple and smooth. Finish off the look with the Moisture Renew Core Lipstick. Fill in your lips with pigment packed color and moisture from the Nourishing Skincare Infused Core. And that's it for the skincare infused look that leaves your skin feeling nourished and looking flawless.